Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Guys, I have found another cursor Windsurf alternative AI coder and its name is Qoder. Currently it is available for free. Here you see that agentic coding platform for real software. Think deeper and build better. So here you see that this is the download option. So if you go to this all download, there you will be able to download it for the Mac and Windows. And here you see that this is the UI and it is similar to that cursor and Windsurf and VS Code, but here they have added some extra functionality. It is the quest mode. Here you can delegate any task to this quest mode and it will do that task for you. It will do that planning, design, testing, bug reviews, all of that things. It will do that, and then it will notify you when it will be completed. And also they have added this extra feature, which is the repo wiki on the left hand side. And in this repo wiki, suppose you are working on any new code base and you want to know what is the project structure, what that all of that files are actually communicating with other files, what is the flow of that project, that things you will get here in this section. So in this video I will show you all of that things one by one, so stay with me till the end. First of all, if you go to their blog, this is the Qoder. Here you see that they have written Qoder is an agentic coding platform designed for real software development. It seamlessly integrates enhanced context engineering with intelligent agents to gain a comprehensive understanding of your code base and systematically tackles software development tasks. Now you will ask me that already there is a cursor Windsurf type of AI coder, then why will I use this coder? Why will I use this new AI coder? So you see that all of that cursor, Windsurf and this coder, they have a different architecture. They have a different coding agent architecture, right? So if you get this kind of new AI coder, then you should definitely try it, because you will see that if you are using that GPT-5 with the cursor and that same with the Windsurf and that same with the coder, then you will see a lot of difference. And also in my previous video, I think this was the video, whereas that, yes, this was the video. In that video I have already shown you that how that same model is performing different in a different way in different IDE. Okay, now let's see that how it actually works. So if I go to this Qoder and here just open this chat option, so here in this drop down you will find this currently ask an agent. So follow my cursor, ask an agent. So ask is the same things that if you want to just chat with this coder, then you can do that, and this agent mode will actually plan and build and also will edit in your current code base. Okay, now another thing is that currently they have not given any option to select model. In case of cursor or in case of Windsurf, we have seen that they have another drop down to select the model, but here they will route to different model according to your requirement. Okay, suppose you have given any task to this coder. Now it will decide that which model is best to perform that task. It will understand that requirement automatically and it will route your request to that model automatically. Okay, and behind the scene it may use Claude Sonnet 4, it may use Coder, or it may use GPT-5, but it is behind the scene. You will not know that what model behind the scene it is using. Okay, and this is very much interesting. I have also tried it. So if I give any prompt here you see that add dark light theme toggle and its functionality. Now if I just press enter, you will see that it will do its work. And the interesting thing is that it will search that memory. Here you see this is the searched memory. Here it will first examine the current file structure, the current styling and the current logic, and after that it will list all of that things that what it needs to do. Basically it will set up that to-do list, and that thing also available in case of quest mode in a more detailed way, so that I will show you. Here you see that it has prepared that list that what it need to do. This is the to-do list. So in case of cursor or in case of Windsurf also, they don't have that kind of feature. In case of cursor you need to do it manually, but here you see that it has done, or it has prepared it, and according to this to-do list it will do that. Okay, and previously also I have mentioned that if you don't use this kind of to-dos functionality, then you will not get the best output, and here also it has done that things and it will do that one by one. Now let me stop this functionality here and let me move to that quest mode so that I can show you that what this quest mode is. Okay, so let me just discard these changes so that I can show you that the same functionality you can do it in quest mode, but in that case you will find in a better output. So if you see that in my folder currently I have these files. Okay, now in this quest mode it will add some extra files. So let me paste it here. Add dark light theme toggle in this functionality, and let's add the context. So for that let's add the folder. So currently I have this node.js chat folder. This is my current folder. Here you see node.js chat, and now if you select this write spec first, then it will first write the design, and then it will do that planning, and then it will move to that coding part. But if you just select this execute directly, then it will directly jump to that coding part. So if you see their documentation also, here you see that in this quest mode, it is an AI assistant programming feature designed for complex and long-running development tasks. By describing your requirements in a natural language, you can delegate the tasks such as feature development, bug fixes, refactoring, testing to the AI, significantly improving development efficiency. And here you see that this is the AI assistant specification, means the specs that I was talking about. The AI assistant analyzes your project and automatically generates a detailed technical design document, and this ensures a shared understanding of the task and aligns the AI execution with your goal. So our goal is currently to add this dark and light theme toggle and its functionality. So first it will prepare that technical design document, and with that document it will align your goals. Okay, and after that here you see that autonomous execution of that spec, and after that AI assistant task report, and blah blah blah. So in this way you will find that it will do that things automatically in a more convenient way. Now if I just select this write spec first and now press enter, here you will see that it will start the steps. Here you see that first step is the design, and the second step is the action flow, and the third step is the task report. Okay, now when the task report got generated, now you can go to that coding part, means the implementation part. Here you see, and this quest mode is actually different and a unique feature. You will not find this kind of unique feature in Cursor or in case of Windsurf also. Currently this Cursor and Windsurf are the popular this AI code editor, but they don't have this kind of unique feature. Some days ago when AWS released that Kiro AI coder, in there also this kind of spec things were present. Here you see that this theme toggle.md file, this kind of md file they have prepared and they will add it here. Okay, and these md files are necessary. You remember that when we discussed about the Claude Taskmaster, in there also they prepared 8 md files. Remember that things? So this kind of md files are required to get the best output. Here you see that the front-end technologies, what you will do, the existing framework, and the component architecture, and all of that things. So it has written one by one, and it will add that theme toggle md file inside your root folder. Here you see that you will find this .qoder and quest, and here you will find this theme toggle. So accept this file. Okay, so here you see what it needs to do. It has added these things. So one by one it will move to all of the steps. Okay, so you please do that. The download option is simple. Just to go to this link that I have given in description and click on this download, and you will or you can choose this all download. Here you will find all of the download option, Mac and Windows, and according to that ways you will please download it. Okay, and also let me show you one another interesting thing that this person tried this. Here you see that attempting one of these one prompt mobile apps as a way to test Qoder and to see how it quickly I can get an app onto the app store, lol. And then I will be back to the regular programming. So far the experience is very similar to using Cursor. It actually feels more seamless because there are fewer settings. Yes, and it comes built in to to-do list, project tracker. So this to-do list I have already shown you, this project tracker like the Claude code, and it routes to the most appropriate model for the scenario. And just I want to show you another thing. So one person mentioned on Twitter that I think it is using Claude 4 Sonnet for Act and GPT-5 for planning. So in case of client also, we have seen that they have that Act and planning mode, and for that Act and planning mode we can choose different models. And this person is saying, according to here his according to his so this person is saying these things, but we don't know that what actually they are using in the backend. So when they will release it in the full phase, then I think that we will be able to know what they are using in the backend. Okay, and he is saying that it is superior than Cursor because it has some extra functionality, and they have also that MCP option also. So if I show you in their documentation, this QO coder, they have these things. Here you see this memory for continuous improvement, intelligent code based search, advanced repository insight tool used. Okay, and this analyze the best model means Gemini, Claude, and GPT. And this tab it get it means they have this auto completion tab feature also, and this equalize your code base. So these things I wanted to show you. Here you see on the left hand side you will find this repo wiki. So if you go there, you will find this generation status waiting because I have started it currently. And for that you need to add your code base to the GitHub repository. After that only you will be able to use this feature. Remember these things. And the same for the quest mode. So if you want to use this quest mode, then please make sure you that you have added your code into the GitHub repository. Otherwise you will find this kind of GitHub repository require warning. Okay, and what are the extra features that they have? This memory and rule, and this comprehensive context, and this inline chat. So they have this inline chat option also, and also this MCP. So you can add your MCP here also. Go to this on the left hand side user settings. So click on that, and now click on this coder settings, and after that here you will find this option for this general means the current plan. This is the pro trial because it is currently in beta. And the display language, response language for AI, currently it is English. And for completion you can set up, and for the completion length, this medium to long. So I generally prefer medium because it is really helpful, means how much code completion length you can you can do that setup here. For the chat also, here you see that MCP tools. If you want that this agent mode automatically detect your MCP, then you can just turn it on here. And terminal in agent mode, and also this web tool means the web search you can access here. And this MCP server also you can do this setup here. So click on this add, and here you will be able to add your MCP server. Here you will be able to set up the rules. Here you see that on the right hand side we have this rules for the adding option, and here you can give any name A, B, C, D. And after that click on this enter, and here you see that abcd.md. this is the md file, the markdown file. And after that what are the options? This memories option. Here you see that enable automatic generation, and whatever the project that you will add in this coder, they will memorize that project architecture and overview. Here you see that for the Node.js chat and chat project that I have currently in my workspace, they have generated these memories, this system feature, this technical architecture, stack, that I have used all of that things. So this is very much helpful. These are the unique feature. And also they have this indexing, means if you use indexing, then in that case it will work in a more convenient way, more proper way. Here you see that automatically create and update index for code bases with fewer than 10,000 files. So in case of indexing, it will automatically the agent mode will be automatically change your code base. Okay, and also here you see that the advanced option. So I hope that this detailed video explanation with all of that settings that I have already shown you is helpful for you guys. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.